Nowadays, nothing really is. Only one of me and nobody's like me. Phone ringing and I tell him it's ice. I got wifey on bling and she freeze. Photo.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got the newly released foam runner in this mineral blue colorways, and we're very excited to add it to the collection. I know a lot of people are going to be going for this weekend, and we're going to show you guys how it looks on feet with multiple outfits, so stick around to the end of the video.
And since this looks like an all black Yeezy, you guys know how all black Yeezys are. They're very hyped. A lot of people are going to be going for it, so we're very excited to show you guys how we style these foam runners on feet.
Now, as you guys already know, the Yeezy foam runners come in an inverted box. There's nothing on the outside of the box except the size tag, and we got a size 9 because they come only in full sizes. Let's just jump right ahead and get it out of the box. And the sneaker comes wrapped individually in tissue paper, which is kind of neat.
As you take a look at this foam runner up close, you will notice that it has hints of navy running through the upper, which is similar to that swirl pattern that the MXT Moon Gray colorway had, but this one is more subtle, and from a far distance you would think this is an all black foam runner.
Now, I know the sand colorway is just restocked right next to this new colorway, and a lot of people are going to be going for that one as well because it has that signature foam runner look, but it's going to start showing signs of wear and tear after wearing it a couple of times. But this one is going to be more durable in the long term, and I see this one as an everyday kind of footwear. For a lot of people that have been missing out on the foam runners, because I know the foam runners has spiked in popularity, and if you missed out on the initial colorways, this one I heard they're going to be running in full family sizes, so like a lot of people are going to be able to cop them for retail. The comfort on these foam runners are second to none. That's why I see it as an everyday kind of footwear, but I would recommend you don't wear it without socks because it's going to give you that chafing in the back of your heel, because when your heel start rubbing on this back portion, it's going to give you a little bit of blisters, and but it's very comfortable if you wear it with socks. Now, even though the foam runners only run in full sizes, we still decided to go with a size 9, which is our true size, because the foam runners look chunky on feet, but it still fit kind of snug. So if you guys want it to fit more comfortable, you guys should go with your true size or even a full size up.
And I see these foam runners being the future of footwear because it's already starting to replace the Croc, and I think they're going to start introducing like brighter tone on the foam runner silhouette, because I saw like a orange colorway that's supposed to release in July, and there's also like this red vermilion colorway which is releasing in October. So we're very excited to try out these foam runners in multiple colorways. Even though this is not an all black foam runner, it's still the darkest foam runner that's dropped so far, right next to the MXT Moon Gray colorway, and I see a lot of people being more drawn towards this colorway because it's going to be more wearable in any outfit, and this would be the perfect colorway to try out if you haven't tried the foam runners before. When it comes to styling these foam runners, since it's a little bit bulkier and wider than the Crocs, I would recommend go with more looser fitted pants because it's really going to complement the silhouette, and it's kind of surprising because the sneaker also fits very narrow on feet, so it's going to look good if you go with like looser fitted pants.
We're not gonna bore you guys by talking too much about this foam runner. I know it has a very polarizing look, but more people are starting to warm up to it, and it looks like in the future there's gonna be more exciting colorways, which is gonna even draw more people to this foam runner silhouette. And before we show you guys how the foam runners look on feet, please guys go ahead and leave a like on this video right now because it really helps the channel grow. It helps us to know that you guys like these type of videos, and please subscribe to the channel as well and turn on your post notifications so you get notified when we drop a new video.
And guys, make sure you tell us down in the comments which colorway has piqued your interest in the foam runners and what other colorways you're looking forward to in the foam runners. Until then guys, we'll see you guys in our next video.